Welcome to Storm Chasers. This episode, the show where you're gonna see crazy big giant tornadoes, or should I say as chasing tornadoes. You don't just gonna see them, you're gonna feel them. We're gonna chase them down. Bit Rec Room. I'm your boy. I'm your host, Jellyfish VR, and in this episode we're going to be chasing down some tornadoes, storms, and powerful supercells to see if we get any tornadoes. My buddy will be with me next episode. He's flying here from Oklahoma. Well, actually, he's flying to Oklahoma. He's flying from Los Angeles to meet me here in Oklahoma. Let's get around to the video, shall we? Well, over here we have the cars, and you can see I did that motion really bad. It's in my business. We're gonna drive one of the cars. Alright, on 4K clean right now in Oklahoma. My friend here, we flying from Los Angeles to Oklahoma, just chasing more storms. Later on this episode. Right now we clearing the forecast. Nothing's so far, we good. Radar says it's okay. My God's going on so quick. Look at my grab bass right here. Hello? Oh, there. I just wanted to check if anyone was here. To this rock that was invisible. So actually, welcome back to another video today. I'm going to make a little series called Storm Chasers. If you have heard of a show called Storm Chasers, well, yes, mine's going to be based on it. Shut up. New business over there. Right now, my friend isn't online. That's what I meant by flying. But for this episode, I'm just gonna let you guys know what it's gonna be. The first episode might be when he gets on. So yeah. Starting with that. So yeah, that's the start of Storm Chasers. See you fellas in the next first episode. That was all you Storm Chaser fans. Peace. Oh man, I messed that up. Cutter, we need that cut, please. I'm just kidding. And now. Episode, first episode, by Storm Chaser fans.